Good evening, ma'am. Here's our report, a video presentation for our coding defense of the code. Your program is correct and logical implementation of a term and terminal-based real-time game with written in standard C++ extension, and every part of the design is justified by the environment and feature requirements. Number 1. Using term use and UniSTD is appropriate. Real-time keyboard input and non-blocking without pressing enter is not possible in standard C++. Your code uses term use to disable canonical mode. Canon. Yeah. So, mao to siya, ma'am, ang number 1 for using term use and UniSTD. So, Jingswa.
So, nader may gibutang dito sa amo ang like borders bitaw. Pwede ka makapili og 3 choices like easy, medium, o easy, medium, og hard. So, magbutang ka diri like for example, easy. So, hina yung kayo siya magdagan-dagan, no? Hina yung kayo siya magdagan-dagan. So, imong gamiton ana kay L stands for left and R stands for right. So, kung mag-L ta, so masalo gid na siya. Kung mag-right pud ta, tuwadto wala siya dito sa kilid bitaw kay right man sa diha.
Nay, thank you. Moro to. Tubasa ko niya sa disable ganina rin karon mali.
So sa mong coding nag-use dai mi og kuan term use point h. So ang kanang term use point h kay nag-approach bitaw siya og sa like mga keyboard or input ng blocking na di ka makagamit bitaw mga enter.
Di ka magamit og C++. It's not possible in standard C++.
Oo. Oo, tigali.
Basa na to? Number 2.
Ang professionally, this is the same technique used by early Unix games. Emacs terminal mode. Saan niya siya pagbasa? Roguelike engines of custom ARPL interface. Ikaw na.
Number 2. Input place in separate thread is correct for real-time gameplay. The game loop needs to animate unfolding fruit, update, and score lives to draw the screen smoothly. If input happen in the same thread as game logic, the program would pause every time waiting for user to input. By moving input to dedicated thread, the program maintains smooth animation, responsive controls, fully asynchronous input handling. Using STD thread is modern and appropriate. Using STD automatic for shared variables, it's also correct, avoids undefined behavior. This design mirrors how real games structure their input even loops. Jingswa.
Ako sa.
So, naami gibutang dito nga unom ka color. So, naa dito ang red, green, yellow, kyan, magenta, o kuan.
Ano mo ba sa explain?
Reset.
Number 3 na? Number 3 na? Number 3, using system clear is acceptable for simple terminal games. Although not the fastest method, it is easy to implement, portable across POSIX shields, sufficient for small grid size 20 by 10. The purpose of your program is,
The purpose of our program
is educational and functional, not optimized console rendering. Most introductory terminal games, Snake, Bomb Clones, ASC11 games use the same approach. This is reasonable and defensible trade-off between simplicity and performance. Explain. Explain na.
Ito.
Explain to. Oh, di ba? Nasa katubag ron.
Sa motto siya, ma'am, katungkuling na mo is to pop the bubble. James Wa.
Yawan, iwoy.
Uy, explain na. Wala di ako pagbuhat ako.
Hindi ka pa, wala.
Kami na ami, wala po.
So, nagbutang mi dito ang 3 lives. Like, kuan kung tulura ka basis ka nga ma-hit ka or tulura ka chance imuhang kuan ba, dula. Kung ma-hit ka sa isa, di malamang nakay duha. Kung ma-hit ka sa isa, di isa na lang. Kung ma-hit ka, wala na dyan kay lives. Oh, mo to, fail din na ka. So, mo ito gitawag o kuan. Avoid throw. Avoid throw. Avoid throw. The well, charis.
Number 4 na. Number 4 na lang.
So, ang amo din kuan no, among borders like kuan. Ang sa ubos, ang paan na is 30, tapos ang sa landscape is 20 to no? 20 gali. Oh, 20. Dayon.
Number 4 na, yan explain.
Oh, number 4.
Number 4, using ANSI escape sequence for color incorrect. ANSI colors improve readability required on external libraries. Work on virtually all modern terminals. Our code uses Steam safely by resetting colors reset after each practice, prevent color bleed, and keeps formatting predictable.
So, sa kuan, sa another pod, game logic is clean, reliable, and deterministic. So, ang damin lo pa ni, first is draw the frame, second moves the fruits, then third check the collision. The fourth is update the score and lives. And number 5, respawn the fruit. And number 6, sleep for speed control. Ang kaning sleep for speed control, like hard, mauna ni siya. Then kaning respawn the fruit. Kato bitong painita, masalo din mo siya or makatch ni mo siya sa basket. So, mabalik yun siya dito. Okay. Another pa may kay 3 lives naman ang gipangita kung mahit ka ng tulodi. Wala na to.
Number 6. Separation of concern is good. Draw handles rendering only. Input 3, the handles input only. Main handles, game state and frame timing. Select level, handles UI menu. This matches proper software engineering practice, modularization, readability, single responsibility, and function. Your file is short enough to understand yet properly structured. James Wa.
So, nag-use po mig atomic ball.
Dang, sa number 8.
Atomic ball is kalapitang like kuan for game over in shortly. Kalapitang mig kanang mahit ka na makatata game over. So, kana mo na siya gitawag og atomic ball kay nag-use man mi dito sa among primero nga code nga kuan #atomic ball. Atomic ball di ay.
7. Difficulty adjustment is done correctly.
Ayan,
Levels modify falling speed, sleep duration. This is a simple, effective, and avoids modifying other mechanics unnecessarily. This ensures fairness and consistency for players. James Wa. Gusto mo isa?
So, maura to among coding kay
Gawiin na.
maura to among coding wa may pakita kay wa may kuan. Wa may laptop of course.
Thank you.
Oo, maura to.
Unsubscribes.
Basta kung kuan, basta kung mahurot na inyong lives, like 3 lang may gipangayo, kuan na mo dito, like mapildi na mo kung madaog mo, or di game over, or di maura to. Thank you.